And in more breaking news coming in, we're learning a student's body is seeking removal of Dehradun SSP from the ongoing investigations. This is All India Chakma Students Union that's urged Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami to remove the SSP from the probe. This, remember, comes after the Dehradun SSP ruled out racial angle in the Angel Chakma murder case. And he's also spoken exclusively to CNN News 18 in reiterating that stance. I do want to go across to Smriti Mishra, who joins us live on the broadcast. She's joining us from Dehradun. Smriti, you've been tracking each and every angle to the probe, the several versions that are coming in, especially the ones being spoken of by the police that are highly problematic in nature and stark contradiction to the family's claims. With the reaction that the Dehradun SSP is given out to CNN News 18, reiterating the police's stand, how this was not, there was no racial angle to the probe, all of this happened in the heat of the moment. What kind of protests are planned today? Tell us a little bit about the tense situation on ground.
Well, yes, certainly the police has now called it a case of confusion and aggression and has completely denied and refuted to the claims that this was, an attack which was based on racial discrimination. The students at the ground, especially when we have spoken to the All India, the Northeastern Students Association and also the All India Chakma Students Association, people are really demanding for justice at the moment, because it's high time that the police has to give out an answer to the students. The students have been also demanding the removal of SSP Ajay Singh from the entire investigation, because they believe that it was completely, the police officials' fault to not lodge the FIR. As we have already seen how the students have reiterated that the fact that they went out there on the 10th of December to lodge the FIR. However, the police refuted to such claims, and they said that such incidences happen on a daily basis. This is not something new. And even yesterday, SSP Ajay Singh has reiterated that fact that we did try to lodge the FIR, but it was because we were trying to understand the various aspects of the case. However, on the other side, the victim's family, the Students Association is now really angry over the fact that the police is again and again refuting the claims. Also that the 6th accused is still absconding. We are also learning that the police, the two teams of the police officials which were sent to Nepal to to make sure that the 6th accused is caught, but the accused is also now he has absconded from his home as well, his residence in Nepal, and that is why it becomes very important to make sure that the police is again looking out for the 6th accused. While on the ground, when we are speaking to various students associations, they are just demanding action from the government. In fact, yesterday there was a candle march which was held in Uttarakhand, and even today the entire Northeast Students Association has come out and they have said that if in case they are being denied with justice, they are going to boycott all the universities. They are going to come out of Uttarakhand, because this is a very serious case now. One of their own members, he was assaulted, he was brutally attacked with knife, after which he lost his life. And now that the police is not cooperating with the students, they are not listening to the students, and in fact coming out and giving such statements that this was an act of aggression and confusion.
Yeah. An act of aggression, all of this happened in the heat of the moment, not just downplaying the racial angle. The police have so far suggested that the delay was on part of the family in filing the complaint first, is what explains why the police filed the FIR 3 days into the attack. So these are shocking revelations being made by the police and not being taken well by all those who've taken to streets demanding justice for Angel Chakma. Thank you, Smriti, for joining us with those details.